Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are solving an absolute value inequality, writing the answer in interval notation, and graphing the solution on a number line. The inequality is, the absolute value of x is greater than or equal to 5. The absolute value of x is greater than or equal to 5. Our three goals: solve it, write the answer in interval notation, and graph it. Here is the key rule for greater than or equal to. If the absolute value of u is greater than or equal to k, and k is positive, then u is less than or equal to negative k, or u is greater than or equal to k. This is called an or compound inequality. The solution is split into two separate pieces going in opposite directions. Let's compare all three cases so far. Case 1, absolute value of u is less than k. The solution is, negative k is less than u, which is less than k. One connected piece in the middle. Open parentheses. Open circles. Case 2, absolute value of u is less than or equal to k. The solution is, negative k is less than or equal to u, which is less than or equal to k. One connected piece in the middle. Closed brackets. Closed dots. Case 3, absolute value of u is greater than or equal to k. The solution is, u is less than or equal to negative k, or u is greater than or equal to k. Two separate pieces going outward. Closed brackets. Closed dots. Today's problem is case 3. Step 1, apply the rule. Our inequality is, the absolute value of x is greater than or equal to 5. First, identify k equals 5, which is positive. The rule applies. Now apply the rule. Replace u with x, and replace k with 5. We get two separate inequalities connected by or. X is less than or equal to negative 5. Or x is greater than or equal to 5. Step 2, the solution. Because x is already isolated, we do not need any algebra steps. The rule gave us the answer directly. X is less than or equal to negative 5. Or x is greater than or equal to 5. This means x can be negative 5 or any number to the left of negative 5. Or x can be 5 or any number to the right of 5. The values between negative 5 and 5 are not solutions. Step 3, write in interval notation. Our solution has two separate pieces. Piece 1, x is less than or equal to negative 5. This goes from negative infinity to negative 5, including negative 5. We write, negative infinity to negative 5, closed bracket. Piece 2, x is greater than or equal to 5. This goes from 5 to positive infinity, including 5. We write, closed bracket, 5, to positive infinity. We connect the two pieces with the word union, written as a U symbol. The full interval notation is negative infinity to negative 5, closed bracket. Union. Closed bracket, 5, to positive infinity. Note, we always use open parentheses next to infinity, because infinity is not a number we can reach. Step 4, graph on the number line. Our solution is x is less than or equal to negative 5. Or x is greater than or equal to 5. We place a closed dot at negative 5. We shade everything to the left of negative 5, going toward negative infinity. We place a closed dot at 5. We shade everything to the right of 5, going toward positive infinity. The region between negative 5 and 5 is not shaded. This is the excluded middle. Closed dots mean the endpoints are included. Two separate shaded regions going outward, this is the OR pattern. Let's recap everything. The original inequality was, the absolute value of x is greater than or equal to 5. Step 1, k equals 5, which is positive, so the rule applies. Greater than or equal to means an OR compound inequality. We split into two pieces going outward. The solution is x is less than or equal to negative 5. Or x is greater than or equal to 5. Interval notation. Negative infinity to negative 5, closed bracket. Union. Closed bracket, 5, to positive infinity. Graph, closed dot at -5, shaded left. Closed dot at 5, shaded right. Middle is excluded. Remember, less than or equal to gives one connected piece in the middle. Greater than or equal to gives two separate pieces going outward. The final answer is -infinity to -5, closed bracket. Union, closed bracket, 5, to positive infinity. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. Visit us at getthemath.net for more practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next one.